Divi 5 is improving how you build websites with WordPress. Inputs and feedbacks from our Divi community have always been the driving force behind the best features in Divi 5, and that's why we brought back the Settings, Search and Filtering feature in Divi 5, a standout from Divi 4, which allows you to easily navigate Divi's extensive settings to quickly find what you're looking for. So in this video, we are going to unpack everything you need to know about this time-saving tool, how it works, why this is a big deal, and how it can supercharge your web design project. So if all that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. My name is Ankit and you're watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi Visual Builder. A quick heads up, Divi 5 is perfect for new sites, but hold off for converting existing one for now. Now if you want to deep dive in this topic and learn more about it, we have created a complete blog post and you can find the link to that in the video description below. So once you are done with this video, make sure you head over to the video description and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it helpful. So what's this setting, search and filtering thing all about? So picture this, you are in the Visual Builder surrounded by Divi's huge lineup of design options, content styles, advanced tweaks, you name it. Now finding the right settings used to feel like a scavenger hunt, sometimes, but not anymore. Divi 5 Settings, Search and Filtering lets you zero in on any settings fast. Just type in a keyword or filter by category and it's all right there in settings panel. It's actually an upgraded version of what we loved in Divi 4, which is now smoother and more powerful. So here is how it works. So here we are inside our Divi Visual Builder and we have just imported a sample page here. And here, if you notice, if we click any of these modules here, on the right hand side in the setting panel, we now have search setting option. We can either type in what we are looking for, or we can click on this funnel icon. We can choose from all these available categories. So let's say we click on this module and in the design, I want to look for the setting that are dealing with this border radius. So I'm just going to search for border. And I can see the border radius setting just popped up, and now I can do all the editing related to maybe border radius or border width or anything related to that. In the same way, in the content section, if I'm going to search anything related to media, I can either search for background. So here we can play around with the background color, the background image, and everything related to that. Now in this, let's say we have these three blur modules and let's say we go ahead and do some styling for this. And let's say after doing all my styling, this is how my blur module will look like. Now let me just go ahead and repeat the same design attribute to rest of these two. Like this. So now I have imported this page, I have added few more modules and I did some styling here. And now I just want to handle all the stuff that I have modified. And that's the place where this filter comes in. I can simply click on this and then select modified. So it's only going to show me all the things that I have just modified. So here we can see we have added padding, we have added border radius as well. And if I do the same in the content section, it's going to show me the background color that I have just added. And this is how I can see what I have just modified after importing my page, and I can simply do all the edits right from here. Along with that, let's say instead of modified, I go ahead and select anything related to my icon or the image here. So I can again select my filter and then select icons. So this is going to pop up all the settings related to my icon only. So here we can see the icon that we have selected and we can change that from here. So this is how we can control the styling from this filter. Or maybe we can select the blur module and in the content section, let's say we search for background. Here we can see all the things related to our background. We can edit the color, add a new background image, and everything that we can handle related to background is showing up here. So that's the best part of this feature. You don't have to dig deep inside all the content and design tab. You can find instantly whatever you want and do the editing right there. Now I'm sure you agree that Divi 5 settings are amazing, but they can be overwhelming sometimes. With so many options, tracking down that one setting like a color tweak or font family could eat up way too much time. It was like a creativity speed bump, especially with big projects. But setting search and filtering in Divi 5 changes the game. It's all about efficiency. Just type in a keyword or pick a filter and boom, you got what you need. Imagine filtering by variables to see all the design variables in a snap. It's fast, it's smooth, and keeps your design flow on point. Now here is the cool part. Divi 5 is still in public alpha and it's growing with your help. Setting search and filtering came back because you, the community, asked for it. Your feedback is the real sauce behind every update. And with bi-weekly releases, things are moving really fast. Got ideas? Share them. Divi's team all ears. The roadmap's packed with upgrades to keep your web design game super strong. It's an exciting time to jump in and shape the future of Divi. So here you go. Setting search and filtering in Divi 5 is your new best friend for tracking settings like a champ. It saves time, cuts the clutter, and makes designing a whole lot smoother. Want to see it in action? Go ahead and grab Divi 5 Public Alpha today and test it out on your fresh project. It's perfect for new site right now. And make sure you check out the blog post that we are going to link in the video description below for more juicy details. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.